Hello everyone, welcome to QA Labs for you. I hope you all are safe and healthy. In this video, I'm going to talk about one critical activity which we have to perform as a QA on daily basis, and it is test case creation. So when any new requirement comes into the picture or any new story comes into the picture, as a QA, we have to start looking into the requirement and then start putting all the test cases into the Jira, or sometimes there are some special test case management tools are also there, right? So we have to spend some time, we have to do some brainstorming, right? And then we have to create the test cases. So now, as we know, this AI is booming. So I thought, why not I should come up with some AI powered application which can help you in test case creation. I understand. Most of you are already using Chat GPT, Gemini, or any other application just for creating the test cases, right? But the point is, when you ask any application like ChatGPT or Gemini to create the test cases, right? You have to pass all the details, whatever is, already there in the story card, right? But if some solution is already there which can, understand the context, understand the requirement directly from the story, so that would be a better thing. What do you think, right? So while just exploring the AI tools, I found one AI tool which is helping QA into test case creation. I can, show you a demo where I have, created couple of stories and will try test case creation with the help of that particular application. Okay, so the application name is AI test case generator. You can see here, right? And it is just like a plugin, you can say. You can integrate with your Jira, and from there it can understand what all story context, and it will create the test cases accordingly. So I will show you one by one all the process, and we'll see how many test cases it will create and what will be the coverage, right? So quickly I can say that you have to check out this page. Okay, I will share the link into the description, and once you will click on this, okay, so it will redirect you on the marketplace. Okay, from here you can add this particular application into your Jira. Okay, so right now this entire application is already integrated with my Jira board. Okay, so I can easily use it for the test case creation. Now I'm just jumping directly into my board. So this is my board. This is a demo project I have created, and here I have created three stories. Okay, so the first story is all about implementing product checkout API. Second is for implementing product checkout screen for web app, and the third one is implement bottom navigation bar for mobile app. So it's kind of a three different areas. One is the API, second one is the web application, and third one is the mobile application. And we'll try to create test cases with the help of this AI generator. Okay, AI powered application, I can say. Okay, so quickly I will, open first. Yes, this one. Okay, so this is my first story, and we'll quickly see what is story contains. So story is all about for the product checkout API. Here we have a description also. Along with the description, request is there. Okay, and response is already there on the story card itself. Acceptance criteria is also there. Okay, now we have to create the test cases, right? So as a functional tester or as a manual tester, what you will do? Okay, you will first go and analyze what all things are mentioned into the description, request, response, AC, right? And then you will prepare the test cases. So for all this activity, you have to spend some time. But with this tool, once you will integrate it, you will, just click on this apps icon and you will see this icon, AI test case generator. So once you will click on this, we'll see what will happen next. Okay, it will scroll down here. Now we can see it's loading, and now it is ready to create or generate the test cases. Okay, so once you will, click on this generate test cases button, it will start creating the test cases at the backend. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, generating test cases. Do not close this window while generating test cases in the background. Okay, so we'll see once, all the test cases will get generated. Okay, so it is started creating the test cases and linking also. Okay, so 2 of 7 created. We can see. Okay, where it is linking. Just hold on. 4 of 7. So total 7 test cases it will create. Out of 7, 5 are already created. Now let's wait for 2 more. Okay, 6 and 7. So it is the last one. created and linked 7 new test cases. Okay. Oh, wow. So all test cases are here. Okay. All test cases are created here. We can see the test cases like successful checkout with one product, with multiple product, with invalid token, with out of stock product, with different payment methods, calculate total order cost with discount. Okay. And return appropriate error on payment failure. Okay. So you can, see, it has created 7 cases and from different areas, correct? We can quickly see the details of each test case. So here on this test case, you can see the description, the precondition, the steps, right? Everything is mentioned. The priority, correct? So it looks nice to me because with just one click, it has created 7 different test cases. Okay. So now it's a task for you. You guys can go and check out the request and response for this story card and just create all the test cases, possible test cases, whether it's a positive or negative, and then compare the test cases which are created by AI. Okay. Then you can understand the coverage part. I'm sure it is not covering 100%, but at least it is helping us. Okay, into the test case creation activity, including the details what we have seen for the test cases, right? Like this one, we can see the details. So it is adding a lot of details like the steps and all, right? Now we can check for another story. This is all about for the API, right? We can quickly see for the web app also. Okay. Okay, so I'm just trying to give an idea. How much this application is useful if you are working on API project or web application project or a mobile application project. Okay, accordingly, you guys can explore and try to use this application. At least if it is helping 20 or 30% for you, right? It's more than enough because in future, right, it will start helping you more, maybe 30 or 40%, right? But at least if solution is available in the market, why not? You can start using it. Okay, and it's, I guess, free for 1 month or 14 days. So you have to check out exact criteria, but yeah, till the time it is free, we can use it. Okay, so this is the story for implementing product checkout screen for web app. Okay, description is already there, acceptance criteria is already there. Okay, what we have to do next, we have to create the test cases. Okay, so just go and click on the apps, then click on AI test case generator button, and it will, allow us to generate the test cases quickly. We can click on this generate test cases. It is generating the test cases in the background. We have to wait for some time. Hardly it will take 1 or 2 minutes, I guess. You can see how quick it is, right? So this time 8 test cases and this AI powered tool will create. Okay, fine. Afterwards, we'll directly jump on to the mobile application story also. Okay, so my whole objective is just to showcase how this AI powered test case generator can help you in order to create the test cases. Okay, so these are all the test cases which are created by this AI test case generator. So here we can see the first test case. It is all about viewing the order details, then proceed with checkout using cash on delivery, then credit card, and the next one is PayPal, apply promo code, receive order confirmation, validation for empty shipping details, and invalid payment method. Okay, so again, it has covered, good number of test cases, but still, some of the test cases are missing, which are, required. Basically, I feel that negative test cases are, most of the negative test cases are missing, right? So you guys can again, think of what all test cases you can cover as a functional tester and then compare the coverage with this AI powered tool. Okay, so in this way you can, understand and feel the difference, right? So I'm damn sure this tool is helping us at least 10 or 20% at least, right? We can quickly see the last story, which is related to mobile app. Okay, so this is the last story, and it is all about yeah, it is all about mobile app for implementing bottom navigation bar. Okay, and it contains home, order again, categories, and print button. Okay, and here detailed acceptance criteria is also there. Okay, and yeah, we can create quickly test cases for this story also. So I hope, once you will start using this AI power tool for test case generation, you would get better knowledge, better understanding how exactly it can help you. Okay. So my objective is just to give you idea about this tool. Okay. Here we can see the first test case validating the design of bottom navigation bar. Second is navigating to home page from home button. Okay. Then passed order from the order again bottom button. Okay. And handling no passed order screen. Okay. Navigating to product categories from categories button. Navigating to print services from print button. Okay, so I mean it is again creating the test cases, and this time I feel that it has created sufficient test cases. Okay, maybe because it is not a total functional story. Okay, it is basically a UI story for I mean building the bottom navigation bar. That is the reason. Okay, I feel personally I believe that if some story requires some kind of critical thinking for creating the test cases, in that case we have to spend some time for creating those test cases, like in case of checkout API, right? So in case of checkout API, as a functional or as a manual test engineer, we can create, I mean, so many negative test cases which are not covered with this AI power tool, right? So that kind of scenarios, I mean, you have to tackle by yourself, but rest of the things you can, I mean, cover with the help of this AI powered test case generator. Okay, and one more thing, like I mean, in this demo, I have shown you creating the test cases one by one from the story itself, right? But apart from that, you can also create the test cases in bulk. For that, you just need to click on bulk AI test case generator. Here, you have option to select by sprint, or you can, I mean, select by searching with the advanced filter. Okay, so if we will go with the select by sprint, we have option to select the sprint, and in a sprint, we can see three stories are there. We can select all of them. Okay, and then we can also select delete existing test cases, because we have already generated the test cases, right? So now we can click the generate one and we can see the status. And once it will be done, we can see the next state here. Okay, so it will take time because it's a bulk action, right? So with this, I mean, approach, you can also create the test cases in bulk. Okay, so it is deleting the previous one. Okay, linking the new, and deleting previous, linking new, all the, I mean, state we can see here. Okay, all the processing state we can see here, and once I mean all will be done, we can see the next state here. So I feel that this is also a good thing. I mean, if in a sprint you have suppose 5 or 6 story cards for test case generation, you can quickly come and create the test cases in bulk instead of creating one by one for each story card. But yeah, I mean, once the test cases will be generated, you have to check, I mean, the coverage, and whatever is not covered, you have to create those test cases. Now we can see all the test cases are completed, right? And you can go on any of the story card and we can see the test cases, right? So this is all about, I mean, for this AI test case generator application. If you found this video interesting and valuable, please comment, like, and share with your friends. It may help others also, right? And in a similar way, I will try to come up with some more videos with some more AI power tools which can help us to leverage AI into testing so that we can increase or enhance the performance of the QA team. So that's it in this video. Thank you for your time. Bye bye. Take care.